Alrighty, I'm back. It's been a while. I've been super busy between my wife's surgery and traveling back and forth. Anyways, we've been super busy. I don't think I'm going to get it to focus, but I'll be quick. We've been super busy. My brother's wedding, it's all over with. We've had a good time. I got to get some lawn mowing here. I haven't done that in a while. My back's been rough. But I got chipmunks everywhere. I mean, everywhere. There's tons of chipmunks in my yard. And there goes a seagull right there. Come closer. Anyways, I got some shooting to do, so stay tuned. We're going to get some shooting done. Alrighty, it's the next day. I got a bucket of seed and corn. Yesterday, I got half the backyard mowed. Got it all cleaned up. And then I got tired and sore. So today, we're going to get back at her. Put some more seed out for the corn. Or some corn and seed out for the chipmunks and squirrels, and we're going to blast them. Yesterday, we had a few visitors. And one expected and two unexpected. So I will post that video now and let you guys see who stopped by to visit us. Oh, these chipmunks, holy Christ. Alright, stay tuned. Troopers in the grass just over here. It's right here. Deer was just whistling at him. Sorry, I'm shaking. Was in the hot tub music blaring. Willow just seen it finally. I see the baby bears coming down the trail. Shh, for Christ's sake, guys. The fucking window's open, good gravy.
Where's the seed?
Next to the fucking porch over here. That's what they'll do too.
Just give it a second.
Yeah.
Oh. Listen. I know. Quiet. Quiet.
was thinking about leaving. He was stretching out. Yeah, it's a nice little stretch. Come on, buddy. I don't know where your mom is, but you should probably get moving. Yeah, go that way. Just saw the deer back there. Where's my finger? Just saw the deer back there a minute ago, while the bear was laying there eating. Craziness, man. Craziness. Stay tuned. Alrighty, so finished all my yard mowing, front and back. It's all nice. The rain started. I had all my gear set up, ready to film, get ready to shoot. Sadly, the rain started, so looks like it's gonna rain pretty much all day today. That's what happens. So Mother Nature had other plans. So that's the end of the footage for now. But coming very soon, if everything else is done, I'm gonna start shooting squirrels and chipmunks. So very soon, stay tuned. We're gonna get to shooting the critters. So stay tuned.